Think you can outsmart the Arizona desert? Watch me fail spectacularly so you don't have to. Imagine me, Arizona desert, ready to grow tomatoes like a pro, gloves on, trowel in hand, confidence sky high. I mean, how hard can it be? People have done this for centuries. I'm basically a gardening legend in my own mind. Except, I forgot the sun here is basically a giant hairdryer. By noon, I'm melting, my plants are melting, and the only thing thriving is my sunburn. I tuck in my seedlings, water them, whisper sweet nothings. 2 days later, crispy salad. The desert just roasted my dreams and my tomatoes. Lesson 1, tomatoes don't want a tan. Give them shade or you'll be snacking on tomato chips. Shade cloth, umbrella, whatever, just don't let them fry. Next, I see cacti everywhere, thriving like desert royalty. But do I plant cacti? Nope. I want a lush green lawn, because I like a challenge, and ignoring common sense. I roll out sod, water like crazy, and for a week, it looks great. Then, patchy disaster. My water bill explodes, and my lawn looks like it lost a fight with a weed whacker. Pro tip, go native. Desert plants actually want to live here. Your wallet and sanity will thank you. Overwatering? Oh, I'm a pro. I water like I'm trying to grow a rainforest. Plants look happy, then suddenly yellow leaves and root rot. Oops, get a moisture meter. Let the soil dry out. Turns out plants don't want to swim. Mulch? I went wild. Piled it on like I was building a mulch mountain. My seedlings disappeared. Hide and seek, but with plants. Less is more. Scoop off the excess, let your plants breathe. No one wants to be buried alive, not even tomatoes. Gardening in the desert is wild, unpredictable, and hilarious. Every fail is a story. Sunburned tomatoes, rebellious lawns, mulch avalanches, collect them all. So laugh at your fails, share your stories, and keep gardening. If nothing else, you'll have great tales and maybe a cactus that actually survives. Happy gardening.